To charge your POCO X8 Pro, you have several wired options since it doesn't actually support wireless charging, unfortunately. So the most effective way is using the 100 watt charger, but also we have to remember to get 100 watts cable. So the best cable is USB-C. To the USB-C you can reach the highest charging speed, and you can charge this phone with 100 watts cable and charger for around 40 minutes from 0 to 100%. If you don't have the original charger, you can use also some third-party chargers from brands like Anker or Ugreen, even Samsung, Motorola or Realme, for example, as long as they actually support the PPS protocol. If a wall socket isn't available, you can also charge this POCO X8 Pro directly from your laptop, PC, gaming console like Xbox or PlayStation, or for example even from your TV port using any USB-C cable. USB-C to USB-C or USB-A into the USB-A. But you have to remember that these methods are much slower. Also we can use the power banks, and that's pretty much it. So we can use charger, we can use only cable or power banks, or we can even use a second device because this device supports reverse charging.